G'day everyone, and thanks for joining me on another bream fishing session. Well, I felt pretty inspired after having a little bit of success down at Patterson River using the bass yabbies the other day. So I thought, why not have another bream session? It's been a couple of days since I filmed that session at Patterson River. So today I'm down here at a new spot. It's somewhere along Mordialloc Creek. And today's bait of choice is not yabbies, but my favourite bream bait of all time, which is the mighty scrub worms. So I'm interested to see how these are going to fare compared to the bass yabbies. So let's get them on the hook and get them out there. Alright, again, so I'm using the same two 1 to 3 kilo rods that I was using at Patterson River. One's got a size 1000 reel, the other one's got a size 2500. I'm using a running sinker rig. I think it's a 15 pound braid going on to 12 pound leader with a small size 2 ball sinker, and I'm using a size 2 bait holder hook. So when you put the scrub worms on, as soon as you pierce their skin, just try and thread the worm on as quickly as possible, because once you pierce the skin they start to wriggle around everywhere, and then bring the top of the scrub worm over the eyelet. It's very important that you bring the scrub worm over the eyelet, that way it's covering the entire hook. Alright, so that's perfectly rigged there. A big bream will not hesitate to take this whole worm and run off with it. It's always exciting fishing in a new spot that you've never tried before. I've known about this spot for a long time, but I've just never felt the urge to come down and give it a try. So let's see how it goes today. I love using scrub worms for bait. The only bad thing about it is that you actually have to buy them. I did try breeding them once. I kept them alive for a good probably 6 months, but they never produced any eggs, which was a bit disappointing. Yep, it's on this time. Definitely on now. Feels like a good fish. It's coming close to the bank. It's just a little guy. It's okay, it's a good start. It's good to know that there's fish here. Nice little bream at Mordialloc Creek. Look at the size of this scrub worm. There you have it. Cheers for that. Oh no, he's busted me off. Oh, I'm on. Oh yes. About time, a fish. That was on the maggots. About time, some action. As you can see guys, he's taken the maggots, hooked him just on the jaw. Look at that. Oh, I'm on. Crazy. Just as I was trying to fix up that line, I'm going to loosen the drag off a little because I don't want it to bust me off. I've already been busted off this morning. That didn't take long at all. I think this is a good fish. If it's peel and drag like that, it's got to be a good fish. Just going to take my time with it. Tighten that drag up a little. Oh, where's he going? Oh no, don't get tangled up with the other line. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's a good size, this one. On the old scrub worm. Beautiful fish. See if we can get another good one. Let's let him go. Yes. I think. Yep. Got a fish. Feels very, very small though. Swimming towards me, not sure, can't tell. Yes. Feels like a juvenile. Oh, what is it? Is that a mullet? Didn't expect that. Looks like a mullet. Oh, not the target species. There you go. Not a bad sized mullet.